Dish came about because one of my followers asked me for some suggestions of how to use sauerkraut, not just in a sandwich with meat. So I've got a few sauerkraut ideas, and sauerkraut is really good for your gut health. The same as kimchi, those sort of fermented things, really good for your tummy. If you have this for brunch, have it with a poached egg. I'm having it for lunch. And if you want to have it for dinner, why not have it with some baby new potatoes? In a pan, I am melting 25 grams of butter. I've got 1 banana shallot that I have finely sliced, and we're just going to cook that until it's soft. In a bowl, I've got 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche and a teaspoon of whole grain mustard. I'm going to add just a little squeeze of lemon and some black pepper. Give that a stir and set it aside. If you don't have creme fraiche, you can use sour cream. Pop these in, they won't take long, just probably a few minutes because they're so thin. I've bought some hot smoked salmon from the supermarket. If you want to make your own hot smoked salmon, if you go to YouTube and check out my cooking tips and tricks, there is a whole demonstration there of how you can hot smoke yourself without using any specialist equipment. I've got a couple of slices of apple that I've julienned, so cut into little matchsticks, and I will eat that later. If Otis was here, I would ration it to him because he loves apple. There are lots of sauerkrauts on the market of varying prices. You can also obviously make your own, but sometimes life's a bit short. Onions are lovely and soft. I'm just going to put the apple in and cook that for just 1 minute. Next I'm going to add, you can add a splash of wine, a splash of cider, or I don't have white wine open, so I'm actually just going to add a splash of vermouth. Only about a couple of teaspoons, not a lot. Let that bubble off. I'm going to stir in the sauerkraut. As much as I think I'll need per person. In this case it's sort of just under half a jar, so that's probably about 150 grams. By heating the sauerkraut with butter, it's just going to soften the flavour a bit, and let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Serving is really easy. You can also have it on toast. I'm going to put some of this cream that we mixed on the bottom of the plate and spread it. Next thing is this lovely sauerkraut with apple on top of the cream. I'm just going to tip out the excess liquid and give it a quick wipe round with some kitchen paper while it's still hot. Hasn't got to be spotless because you can use the salmon cold if you want. I mean, I would get it to room temperature. But I'm just going to show my salmon fillets to the pan just so they're slightly warm. Mine are at room temperature. So I'm just popping them in there. Just for a minute or two. Give the sauerkraut a grinding of black pepper. If you want to take the skin off, by all means do. Very good for dogs. Put your salmon on the top, more pepper. And finish with some dill. That looks such a gorgeous, healthy treat of a lunch. Apple sauerkraut with hot smoked salmon.